In this video, you're going to learn how to download, install, and set up the Arduino IDE. So the first thing that you want to do is come and type Arduino IDE, and it will pull up a Google search here. The first thing on your search should say Arduino IDE. If you click on that, then over in the right-hand side, you'll see the different operating systems. We want to use the Apple Silicon, the very last one here. You click on it, and we want to just download. We're not going to contribute and download. And then you can enter your email, confirm that you've read the privacy, and do not subscribe to emails, and click just download. And that should start it. It's going to ask you where you want it. I am going to put it into my downloads, replace it. And if I go to the downloads folder, I can see that it's right here. I'll double click on that. It's going to pop up and ask where we want to put it. Just have to drag it over and drop it into the applications folder. And we're going to go ahead and replace. Make sure that we get the newest one. If you do have one already installed, you shouldn't, but if you do, then it takes just about a minute for this to finish it doing its thing. And once that happens, you can close that. And we can close the downloads folder. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in to my launch pad, and if I scroll, the Arduino IDE looks like this blue. It's an infinity symbol with a plus and a minus, and it says Arduino IDE. I'm going to click to open that, and open. Okay, and then I've got it here. So what I need to do now to set this up, this is basically a default. Oh, this isn't a default. This is my one that I've saved. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and go to Tools and go to the board. And if you go down, you should be able to see all the different boards on this pullover. And we're going to use Arduino Unos. And then you go to Tools, and you should see a USB modem for your port.